Hello everyone. I will give my quick intro. My name is Tushar and I have 4 years of experience in networking and security domain. I have done many certification and courses like CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, CCNA, CCI Security, Palo Alto, PCNSA, PCNSC, AWS Solution Architect and many more. So today I am going to upload my first video. This is my first video, so I request you to please ignore the mistakes and show some love so I can be motivated. And I have taken random topic today, SSL TLS. So let's begin with the topic. Let's see what is the agenda of this video. So first, what is SSL TLS? Then second, what are the key concept of SSL TLS? Then third is what are the SSL TLS components? And last, how SSL TLS handshake works. So let's start with the first topic. What is SSL? So full form of SSL is Secure Socket Layer and full form of TLS is Transport Layer Security. SSL or TLS is a secure channel from client to server which use cryptographic protocols to provide secure communication over a network. And TLS is the successor to SSL. And while SSL is now considered deprecated due to security vulnerabilities, the term SSL still often used interchangeably with TLS. And I will tell you some more things like TLS and SSL operates at both layer 4 and layer 7, means transport layer and application layer in the OSI models. Basically, it runs on top of TCP, but there is nothing to stop you from running it on UDP or any other transport layer protocol. And the latest version of TLS is 1.3. Now we will see what are the key concepts of SSL TLS. In this, we will cover encryption, authentication, integrity, and secure communication. In encryption, SSL TLS ensures that data transmitted between a client, example a web browser, and a server, example a website, is encrypted, making it unreadable to third parties like attackers who might intercept it. And symmetric encryption is used for the actual data transmission, meaning the same key is used to both encrypt and decrypt the data. Now, authentication. SSL TLS provides a mechanism for authenticating the identity of the server and optionally the client. This ensures that clients are communicating with the correct server, example the legitimate website. This is achieved through digital certificates which are issued by a trusted entity called a certificate authority, like example GoDaddy. Now, integrity. SSL TLS ensures that integrity by using message authentication codes MACs, which help detect any tampering or modification of data in transit. Now, secure communication. The protocol helps in protecting the communication like man in the middle (MITM) attacks, preventing attackers from inserting themselves between the client and the server. Now next topic is what are the SSL TLS components. The components are digital certificates, cipher suits, session keys, and certificate authorities. So what is digital certificate? The SSL TLS relies on digital certificates to authenticate servers. A certificate includes the server's public key, the server's identity means domain name, and the server authority CA that issued the certificate means GoDaddy, like GoDaddy. Now you will see public key infrastructure PKI. It is a system that manages the issuance and verification of certificates. Now cipher suits. So a cipher suit is a combination of encryption algorithms used during the SSL TLS handshake and data transmission. It includes key exchange algorithm like RSA Diffie-Hellman means DH and authentication algorithm RSA, encryption algorithm AES CHA-20, message authentication code MAC algorithm SHA-256, and now session keys. These are the symmetric keys used to encrypt and decrypt the actual data being transmitted. These session keys are derived during the handshake process. I will tell you about this in next part. So symmetric key means a same key is used for encryption and decryption. Now certificate authorities. So CAs are trusted third-party organizations that issue digital certificates. They ensure that the public key in the certificate is valid and belongs to the organization it claims to represent. Now we will come to next part, which is SSL handshake process. So here in this slide you can see this is a diagram of SSL handshake. Now I will explain you in this brief, like in first packet you can see clients send hello cipher suit and client random. Second, server respond back by sending the server random and SSL certificate like private key. Then third is the client verifies the SSL certificate information. Four, pre-master key generated using the public key. And fifth, the server verifies the client certificate if required. Then sixth, pre-master key decrypted using the private key. Master key or master secret is then now placed. Then last, this master key is used for encryption and decryption, means symmetric key. Now we will come to our next slide, which is how SSL TLS handshake works. So now you can see first packet is a client hello packet, in which the client send this hello packet to the server, in which it includes supported SSL TLS version, session ID, or a randomly generated number to ensure uniqueness for session keys, and list of supported cipher suits and list of completion methods. Then server will respond with the server hello packet to the client, in which it includes supported SSL TLS version, session ID, and it will select the cipher suits and the completion method from the list shared by the client. And one more thing, this SSL version or TLS version will be same on both the sides, means on client side and the server side. After this server hello message, then server will send one more message, authentication and key exchange message, which we call as, and in this message server will send its certificate and public key to the client. After sending this certificate and public key, client will send then hello done packet. After sending this certificate and public key to the client will verify that certificate like it is trusted or not, and with the help of that public key, the client will generate a pre-master key and send it to the server, and then with the help of that pre-master key, server will generate a master secret key, or we called as session key, which is responsible for both encryption and decryption. Means the client or server both will use the same key for encrypting the data or decrypting the data. After this, the client will send finish message, in which the client send a message encrypted with the session key to verify the handshake was successful and the session key was securely exchanged. And then sixth, server finish. The server responds with its own encrypted message indicating that the session is now secure. And last packet message is data transfer. Once the handshake is complete, the client and server begins to exchange encrypted data using symmetric encryption or session keys. So thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate your support, and I look forward to continuing my videos on YouTube and hopefully see you on my channel. So show some love, like, comment, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest video updates.